bookstore windows, the stories unfold between dusty pages, the wisdom of old. The jazz dances gently, it carries the breeze. Philosophy lingers in moments like these. Reflections in the rain, a world so surreal. Each drop tells a story, each step helps us heal. The piano keeps time for the heart's tender sway, and the quiet affirms what no words need to say. Oh, what is a thought but a cloud in the sky? It drifts and reforms and it bids us ask why. We walk through the chapters, our lives intertwine with the hum of the world and this rhythm divine. Cafe lights shimmer, their glow softly spills on lovers and loners and lifelong ideals. Each sip of the moment is brewed with intent, the flavor of life with the note of content. Reflections in the rain, a world so surreal. Each drop tells a story, each step helps us heal. The piano keeps time for the heart's tender sway, and the quiet affirms what no words need to say. Hit that bass line nice and slow. Ooh, yeah. Talk box singing, let the rhythm flow. Palm trees swaying, do you feel that breeze? Rolling down the boulevard, feeling at ease. Cruising, moving on that West Coast ride. Say barbecue flames and the ocean tide. Catch the vibe, keep it alive. So real, so true. This laid back life's just what we do. Chilling at the cookout, grab a plate. Got ribs, got wings, I just can't wait. Talk smack with the homies, laugh till we cry. And the beat still bumps as the sun says goodbye. Now throw your hands up if you feel this breeze. Come on. West Coast vibing got you weak in the knees. Low riders bouncing with the funk turn high. Under neon skies, man, we're feeling fly. Cruising, grooving on that West Coast ride. Say barbecue flames and the ocean tide. Let me hear ya. Catch your vibe, keep it alive. So real, so true. This laid back life's just what we do. Full moon shining, streets come alive.
हाय हेलो नमस्ते आशा कर भल थे समस्ते हेयर स्टाइल स्वागत हेयर स्टाइल शेष पर्यटन कंटिन्यू करूँ जमा भी स्किप करते भिडियो लंग टिके अच्छी किंतु जमा भी आपको बोरिंग लगे वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग शॉर्ट हेयर स्टाइल रही सब आप ओपन हेयर स्टाइल फ्रंट हेयर स्टाइल टू साइड वन साइड सब करेंगे देखो हेयर स्टाइल गुड़ा आपको निहत भाव भल लगे चैनल को नुआ कर लाइक करदे कमेंट करदे शेयर करदे एंड सब्सक्राइब करदे प्लीज 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 सब्सक्राइब करूँ पाख थी बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दिंतु चलतु देखा नेक्स्ट वीडियो से पर्यटन जय जगन्नाथ भगवान का दया आप दिन सुखमय हो मंगलमय हो चलतु थैंक यू जय जगन्नाथ।